here to show our door control light, and door control light could be used for drawers or base cabinets. Now the light is real simple, again using a track system, no hard wiring, it just plugs straight into the power supply, and the unit installs by putting the clips on the side of the cabinets, which we'll explain in a minute, or screw up depending on the length. Now the unit itself, as you can see, has the sensor up front to turn it on, turn it off, and we can show you on one of our drawers where it's actually installed. Now the drawer is real simple. As you open the drawer, it opens up. You could see that here are the clips that I was saying earlier. These light turns on, off. The clips go mounted on the sides, or if you wanted to mount it in the middle on a smaller cabinet or a smaller light, you could screw straight up into the base of the cabinet. As you can see, the unit is real easy. Turns off as you close. Our door control light could be used for multiple uses. You could use it for a drawer, where the drawer slides in the front, and turns off, or you could just reverse it. Now you could use it for an actual base cabinet. Door closes, door opens, turns on and off, lights the whole side of the cabinet inside.